Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can generate your business card on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Express. As you can see, I've already opened the Adobe Express. And after opening the Adobe Express, as you can see, you need to go to the marketing section. As you can see, here's the marketing section. So we have to click on the marketing section. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you are going to get a lot of options here. So we have to click on the business card. And after clicking on the business card, you are going to get a lot of templates of the business card. Then you need to select that which template you want to use. So we have to select that. So as you can see, after clicking on the business card option, you will be redirected to this option. This is the main board and the main editing theme here. And here you are going to get the themes, the templates. As you can see, now these are the templates. Now you have to choose that which template you want to use. For example, I want to use this one. So after using this, you have to click on this. And after clicking on it, it will be opened here. So we have to, if you want to make changes in this business card, you can also make. As you can see, the design is here. If you want to edit this, you have to click on this. And after clicking on this, you will get all the text control options here. Like if you want to edit the text, color, and all the things are provided here, you just need to select that. And after that, as you can see, these other options are provided. If you want to change the color of this shape and design, you can control all the designs, all the text. If you want to make changes in them, you can also do that. After doing these all things, you have to click on the download button. And after clicking on the download button, as you can see, you have to select the format, that in which format you want, and then simply you have to hit the download button and it will be downloaded. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can design a business card on Adobe Express. So see you guys in the next video.